Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. Sin theta plus cos theta value given. We have to find secant theta plus cosecant theta. Okay, secant theta plus cosecant theta is our target. So secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta plus cosecant theta formula 1 by sin theta. Okay, let us do LCM. So what is the LCM? Cos theta into sin theta. It will going to be sin theta into 1 sin theta plus cos theta into 1 cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta value from statement this value given. So it value is A by sin theta into cos theta. So let us take equation 1. Okay. So our target is sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now from statement sin theta plus cos theta equal to A given. Okay, now squaring on both sides. So sin theta plus cos theta whole square equal to A square. Now we should apply A plus B whole square formula. A square sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2AB. 2 sin theta cos theta equal to A square. Now it will going to be sin square plus cos square 1. This plus 1 bring the right side. So 2 sin theta cos theta equal to A square minus 1. Therefore sin theta cos theta will be A square minus 1 by 2. So sin theta cos theta value we have got A square minus 1 by 2. Okay. Therefore, but what is required? A by sin theta cos theta value. Sin theta cos theta value already we have A square minus 1 by 2. Okay, it will be 2A by A square minus 1. This is answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Find the value of cos x into cos x plus 2 minus cos square x plus 1. Okay. We have 2 cos A cos B. We have 2 cos A cos B formula. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay. Now divide multiplied by 2. 2 cos x into cos x plus 2 minus cos square x plus 1. We have cos square theta formula 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay. So 1 plus cos square theta. So let us take theta is x plus 1. It will going to be 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. 2 into what is theta? X plus 1 by 2. It will going to be, so 1 by 2 times of 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B formula. We have cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos of A plus B, x plus 2, 2x plus 2 plus cos of x A minus B, x minus x plus 2, it will be minus 2. So minus 1 by 2 minus cos 2x plus 2 by 2. Okay. So it will going to be 1 by 2 multiplied to all. 1 by 2 times of cos 2x plus 2. 1 by 2 times of cos of minus 2 value cos 2. We have cos of minus theta equal to plus cos theta. Okay, minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. Cosine is positive. So cos of minus 2 will be plus 2. Cos 2 minus 1 by 2 minus cos 2 into x plus 2 by 2. Some negative, positive value get cancelled. Same value. So in this 1 by 2 take out common. So minus 1 by 2 take out common. It will be 1 minus cos 2. So minus 1 by 2 times of, we have 1 minus cos theta formula. 1 minus cos 2 theta. 2 sin square theta. Okay. So 1 minus cos 2. It will be 2 sin square 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 2. So we have 1 minus cos 2 theta equal 2 sin square theta, or 1 minus cos theta equal 2 sin square theta by 2. So 1 minus cos 2 sin square 2 by 2. It will be 2 get cancelled, minus sin square 1 degree. So what is the answer? Minus sin square 1 degree. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So if secant to the power 4 theta plus secant square theta equal to 10 plus 10 to the power tan to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta, then we have to find sin square theta. Okay. So what is given? This is the given condition. So this tan to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta, bring the left side. It will be secant to the power 4 theta minus tan to the power 4 theta. Okay, secant square theta, okay, minus tan square theta equal to 10. Now it can be written as secant square theta whole square minus tan square theta whole square. We have secant square theta minus tan square theta formula 1, okay, equal to 10. So by using a square minus b square formula, where a placed in secant square theta, write b placed in tan square theta. What is the formula? A minus b into a plus b. So a minus b, secant square theta minus tan square theta into a plus b, right? Secant square theta plus tan square theta equal to, this one bring the right side, 10 minus 1, 9. Secant square theta minus tan square theta, so it will be 1 into secant square theta. We have formula 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta. It will going to be 9. So tan square theta plus tan square theta, 2 tan square theta equal to, the 9 minus 1, 8. 2 1 j 2 4 j cancel. Tan theta equal to 2. Okay. So tan theta equal to 2. Tan theta formula opposite side by adjacent side. 2 1 hypotenuse is root 5. But our target is sin square theta. From this triangle, sin theta equal to opposite side of theta by hypotenuse 2 by root 5. Okay, our target is sin square theta. It will be squaring on both sides, 4 by 5. So what is the answer? 4 by 5. Okay, moving to next question. Find the value of sin 78 degrees minus sin 42 degrees minus sin 66 degrees plus sin 6 degrees. Okay. So we should apply sin C minus sin D formula. In this one minus 1 take out common. First write sin 78 degrees minus sin 42 degrees. Okay, in this one minus 1 take out common. Sin 66 degrees minus sin 6 degrees. Okay, we have sin C minus sin D. It will be 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay, so it will be, where CD value is 78, 42. So in this CD value 66 and 6 degrees. Okay, we should apply this formula 2 cos C plus D by 2. 78 plus 42 by 2 sin 78 minus 42 by 2 minus, we have sin C minus sin D formula. Again applying the same formula, 2 cos C plus D by 2, 66 plus 6 degrees by 2 sin 66 degrees minus 6 degrees by 2. Okay, so it will going to be 2 cos 78 plus 42, 120 by 2, this is 60 degrees sin 78 minus 42, it will be 36 by 2, 18. So 2 cos 72 by 2, it will be 36. Okay, sin 60 by 2 is 30 degrees. So 2 into cos 60 get cancelled. Cos 60 value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 to get cancelled. Sin 30 value 1 by 2 to get cancelled. Again, okay, sin 18 degrees value, we have formula root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 36 value root 5 plus 1 by 4. So let us do LCM, 4 LCM. Root 5 minus 1 minus root 5 minus 1. It will going to be minus 2 by 4. Answer is minus 1 by 2. Okay, moving to next question. Cos A value given 3 by 4. Then we have to find 32 sin A by 2 into sin 5A by 2. Okay. So what is our target? 32 times of sin A by 2 into sin 5A by 2. Okay. So it will going to be 16 into 2 times of sin A by 2 sin 5A by 2. We have one formula 2 sin A sin B. So 2 sin minus 2 sin A sin B formula. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Okay. Minus 2 sin A sin B. In this plus 2 sin A sin B, it will be minus multiply on both sides. So 2 sin A sin B equal to 1 minus 1 multiply on both sides. It will be cos A minus B. The minus will be plus, plus will be minus. So 2 sin A sin B formula, we have cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So 16 times of cos A minus B, where A place in A by 2, right, B place in 5A by 2. Okay, cos A minus B, A by 2 minus 5A by 2 minus cos A by 2 plus 5A by 2. It will going to be 16 times of cos A by 2 minus 5A by 2. This is minus 4A by 2. It will be minus 2A. Cos of it value, it will be 6A by 2 is 3A. Okay, now it will going to be 16 into cos of minus theta. We have cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. Okay, where minus theta lies in fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Okay, cos of minus 2A is cos 2A minus cos 3A. So 16 times of cos 2A, we have formula 2 cos square A minus 1 cos 3A. It will be 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So from statement cos A value 3 by 4 given. Okay, right, 16 times of 2 into cos square A. So 9 by 8, 16 minus 1 minus 4 times of cos cube A. 3 by 4 whole cube. It will be 27 by 64. So minus into minus plus 3 times of cos A value 3 by 4. Okay, we have got this value. Now 16 into, so let us do LCM. 4 1 4, 16 they cancel. So let us do LCM. 16, 18 minus 16 minus 27. Okay, 4 4 j. So 9 4 j 36. So if 16 get cancelled, it will be 18 plus 36. It will be 54. 54 minus, this is 16, 27, 43. Okay, answer is 11. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming classes.